Hello everyone, myself Riya Bandari and I am the marketing manager of BFSI sector. Today I will tell you about difference between debt and equity and some jargon words everyone wanted to like. So let's move on that. What is debt? Debt, money raised by the company in the borrower capital is known as debt. It represents that the company owes money towards another person or entity. They are the cheapest source of finance as their cost of capital is lower than cost of equity. So, what is equity? Equity refers to the net worth of the company. It is the source of permanent capital. It is the owner's fund which are divided into some shares. So let's take a move. Features of debt. Debt can be in the form of term loans, debenture and bonds. It can be secured or unsecured. They carry fixed interest which requires timely payment. The interest is tax deductible in nature, so the benefit of tax is also available. Here are some term loans are obtained from the financial institutions or bank, while debentures and bonds are issued to the general public. Secured debt requires pledging of an asset as security so that if the money is not paid back within a reasonable time, the lender can forfeit the asset and recover the money. In the case of unsecured debt, there is no obligation to pledge an asset for getting the funds. So, the features of equity now. By investing in equity, an investor gets an equal portion of ownership in the company in which he has invested his money. The investment in equity costs higher than investing in debt. Equity comprises of ordinary shares, preference shares, and reserves and surplus. The dividend is to be paid to the equity shareholders as the return on their investment. It is risky investment as in the event of winding up of the company, they will paid at the end after the debt of all other stakeholders is discharged. There is no committed payments in equity shareholders. Apart from that, equity shareholders will pay off only at the time of liquidation, while the preference shares are redeemed after some specific period. So, this is the difference between debt and equity. Meaning we will like to know above and term. Basically, debt is in a short term and equity is in a long term. Risk. Debt has low risk, but as compare higher risk to equity. Types: term loans, debenture, and bonds. Whereas equity, shares, and stock. Nature of return: fixed and regular. It should be come in every month or any other type. In equity, it is not variable. It means that it is not come specifically on time. It is regular. And the status of the holders, lenders, and owners. So thank you.